Guys, I have waited and waited and waited for this. The OnePlus 13 is finally here. Oh man. So for everybody that does not know, OnePlus had a huge essentially sale, right? To where if you bought the phone, you'd also get a special gift. I was cool enough to get the OnePlus Watch 2R. Now there was a couple of other options that they offered. They offered the original OnePlus Watch 2, and they also offered OnePlus Buds. I can't remember what number it was. Maybe it was the OnePlus Buds 2 as well. But this is really cool. I'm an Apple Watch guy, right? But this is very nice, right? So if your OnePlus device was your only phone and you got a smartwatch to go with it, that is unbelievable. Now I said it's finally here because I've been waiting on this phone forever. It shipped a week and a half ago, but it was stuck in California, and currently California is having, let's just say, difficulties. So I didn't even know if this device was going to come in, right? So that was very concerning. But out of nowhere, it just decided to appear, right? And it didn't help that they used USPS as the shipping company. But anyways, it's finally here, so we're going to use it. We are not going to open this watch in this particular video, so I will save that. Now inside the box, you also get this OnePlus sheet that has like your order number information and what you ordered on this little paper. So I ordered the Midnight Ocean 512 gigabyte, and I think it's what, 12 gigabytes of RAM? 16 gigs of RAM version. Oh man, that is absolutely ridiculous. Now I will say this, I did go ahead and open this device, so this isn't a true unboxing, but it's close enough. I just couldn't wait. I was not in a position where I could actually record this because of screaming kids. But now we are in our studio, it's quiet, and I can open up this box for you. So the box is very nice. I love the color red. This OnePlus red is beautiful too. So let's open that, and then it comes with this never settle tab. So we'll pull up on that, and let's see what's inside of here. Looks like a, what is this? USB-C. It's a USB-C to USB-A full-size adapter. I use these a lot, so thank you. And we got any stickers or anything? Looks like it comes with a SIM card ejector tool, which is nice. So we have a quick start guide and a safety guide. There you go. And then here is the phone. I will tell you guys that the phone came very, very nicely wrapped with very nice paper. But like I said, I went ahead and opened up the device because I couldn't wait. And man, here she is. Bro, first impressions, I am absolutely dumbfounded. This has got to be one of the most beautiful phones I've ever held in my hand. Bro, it is so thin. It is so light. It is beautiful. So of course we typically do not like these curved edges, but the way OnePlus does it, man, it is nice. It is really nice. It's very, very subtle to where it's still nice in terms of the usability of it, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I like these curved edges. So far, I do like the way it looks. It does look and feel really good. Like whenever you're swiping and everything, it does look and feel really good. But I'm interested to see specifically how this works with screen protectors. Now, I will say this phone did come with a screen protector installed out of the box. As you see right there, that camera has it cut out. So I think that's good, right? And it seems to not have an impact on the screen or fingerprint scanner at all. So I do like that it did come with the screen protector. I did go ahead and buy a case online. I'll leave a link to this particular case in the description. As a matter of fact, we'll toss it on real fast. I'll leave a link in the description of this case. It's just something I bought on Amazon. And then I also bought just a random glass screen protector, but I don't know if I will be using that. I may have to use some type of plastic installed screen protector. But anyways, guys, just look at how gorgeous this is. This is shot in 4K HDR with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So make sure you hit that gear icon and turn your settings up to max so you can see how beautiful this phone looks. Dude, it is magnificent. I absolutely love the way this feels in hand. It feels super, super thin, but with that leather material, it feels extremely grippy at the same time. And man, do I love it so far. The phone feels pretty manageable in terms of size as well. So I will say I do like that. I'm dumbfounded by how thin this guy is. It is stupid thin. Let me pull over my Pixel 9. This is the Pixel 9 here. That's dirty. But look at the thickness. Don't know how well you guys can see that. But this phone is stupid thin. And guess what? It has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery. Let me put this Pixel away. Guys, I'm not the kind of person that harps on specs too often, but this phone really, really intrigued me with that 6,000 milliamp hour battery and with that new Snapdragon Elite processor. Not only that, but I have 512 gigs of storage with 16 gigs of RAM as well. So my goodness, I'm excited to try this. But yeah, there's not any videos online that have this phone shown off in 4K 60 HDR. So I really wanted to show that to you guys. You can see those glossy edges. Glossy edges aren't necessarily my favorite, but on this phone, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. But yeah, guys, I'm going to make a first impressions video. I just downloaded a bunch of apps here and just changed a couple of settings, like turning on the Quad HD display mode, along with changing the display scaling down. Other than that, it's pretty stock from factory. All right, guys, let's pull this box back over and so let's see what else we have. We have this little pull tab here, and you get the 80-watt Oneplus fast charger. I cannot wait to test this. On my iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 Pro, I use I think it's an Anker 45-watt charger, and that charges pretty fast. But I can't wait to see how this thing does, man. Yeah, the Super VOC. And in the US here, it's an 80-watt charger. So, very nice. And I believe, yeah, it's actually a USB-A to USB-C, which is weird. Really weird, actually. Got this thing open. Which is really, really weird for today's tech, right? It's a very nice, very high quality charger though. Anyways, so that's what came in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and get this ready, honestly. Clean all this mess up. But yeah, there she is. Gorgeous. So I will test this bad boy out and let you guys know what I think. I will make a lot of content on this phone, so stay tuned. This is Josh's Way of Life. Please give this video a like if you liked it, beautiful. Yeah, give this bad boy a like if you like it. Let me know if you guys plan to pick up this phone or stick with what you've got. And go ahead and shoot a subscription as well so you don't miss any of my other content. Oh, look at that camera. Gorgeous. Anyways, thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one.